This is Math Studies, Section 2.4, If and Only If Statements. So it says, a statement can be written as an if and only if statement if both the implication and its converse are true. Determine if the following statements can be rewritten as if and only if statements. If it can, write it as an if and only if. If it can't, explain why it can't. So I don't really have examples on this lesson, but I'll just do a couple of the exercises with you or for you. So the first one says, if it is raining outside, then I wear my raincoat. So first we have to determine if that is true. If it is, then we see, is the converse true? And if it is, then it is an if and only if statement. So right now, I would call this false. If it's raining outside, then I wear a raincoat. I think that's false. Not everybody wears a raincoat when it's raining. Some people just carry an umbrella, or some people, hold the newspaper over their head. So the implication is false. Number 2 says, if you are Barack Obama, then you are the President of the United States. And I'm going to amend this to say you are currently the President of the United States. So this is a true implication. If you're Barack, then you're the President. So I need to see, is the converse true? If you are the President, then you are Barack. That is true. So the implication and its converse are true. This is an if and only if statement. So I can write, you are Barack Obama if and only if you are the President of the United States. I want to talk about the different symbols you could use then. So we can say Barack Obama. You can say if and only if, IFF are the 3 letters that stand for that. And we'll say President of the U.S., President of the U.S. I've seen it abbreviated like that before. So you are Barack Obama, if and only if you are the President of the United States. We can also use our arrow symbols. So Barack Obama, let me see if I can do this right. If and only if you are the President of the United States. And so you can use the double arrow, the thick one, or you can just use the thin one, Barack Obama, if and only if President of the United States. So I do want them written out in English, but I'm just showing you the different symbols that would mean the same thing. So IFF means the same as if and only if. The double, both sides arrow, or the single, both sides arrow, are all acceptable to mean if and only if. So if the converse and the implication are true, then it's an if and only if statement. So you should be able to finish off these exercises. The back, they're a little different, but it's the same thing. Finish off this statement to make it an if and only if. So finish off this statement with a true statement that its converse is also true. Okay? And that is it for 2.4. Good luck.